Apologies for the fuck up.
You go, Heavenly Father.
Look, viewers, for the first time in almost a decade, his wallet's being opened.
Yes.
And there's still fuck all in it.
Look, stop filming my doubloons.
Oh, get you boasting on camera again.
So if we just go straight on to...
Take it in your hand.
Yep.
Oh, sorry.
No. The unkindest cut us all. No,
Winston Churchill, it will be long, it will be hard, and there will be no withdrawal.
Story of my life.
yes, as you can see, viewers, I'm still working while these two are pigging their faces.
It's a very splendid repast we're having here.
Same to you as well.
He got eyes in the back of his head.
1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Talk about great minds think alike.
You cannot guess, viewers, that these two went to school, and we've known each other for nearly 60 years. Yeah.
Go on, let's try again.
And we haven't grown up at all.
They're not grown up at all. That's synchronicity, that is.
It's falling in the water. It's going to float away. Bye bye, little Stu. Uncle Alan's coming to get you. Yeah.
The things I do for the almighty TIG TV.
Yep, he's the one that's getting the mucky water. Well, we're nice and comfortable up here. Oh, such grace. Such grace and poise. I didn't realise the words were right in front of me.
Oh, for goodness.
There you are, viewers. The words are there. Fucking actors can't read the bloody things.
Right.
Poor old cameraman.
I got my part right.
Yes, but he couldn't read the script.
It's Brother Spence. We carry on.
We carry on.
Can we do that last bit again? Can we do it again?
Arseholes. From arseholes.
Because it's the cameraman fucking up this time. It's
You're definitely right. The word arseholes is quite relevant. And does Rex have an explanation for this?
yeah.
Creative input, perhaps? Fucking incompetence, perhaps?
Well, took a fucking incompetence. I didn't get a chance to do my killer line at the end.
Oh shit! Right, we're going to do it again. Right, that's all right.
0,
2, 3, 4.
Coming in from this side.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, hello, Terry. Well, this is my friend John from Burnley.
Hello.
Shit, I haven't got my costume on. What an absolute fucking idiot.
Did you hear what he called himself? And do me a bow. Do me a bow. Oh, do myself a fucking bow, that's right.
Oh, it's been all sartorial.
Without the elegance.
Yes, no elegance whatsoever. She's got none, never did have.
Oh, no.
Not like us. We're style personified, we are.
Any good, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's beautiful, darling. Don't worry, you look gorgeous.
Yeah, just put this bit over here like that.
Yes, we don't want your lingerie showing through, you see.
Yeah.
This is why I wanted to do it in the morning.
All right. Soixante neuf du crap. Sorry.
He always gets bold when he's wearing his minge. Every time he wears that fucking minge, he gets all bold. Anyway, you can keep your 69 to yourself. I don't want to hear what you do in your private time. I really don't.
Right, children, when you finish, playtime is over. We'll do it again.
Want me to stick to the script? Okay. I just couldn't
We'll stick to this one.
We're very interested.
Sorry.
I'm looking at the wrong bit. Sorry. I was looking at the top of the page. Right, let's start again. You can't get the script.
Yes, we do have a fucking script. It was really interesting.
Ew.
Yeah,
We'll be filming this by moonlight. Script.
See, the BBC have proper staff to do all of this. They have the stars having to do it all.
I'll tell you what, it's full of fish and seaweed.